Hey, what's up? In this video, you will learn how to send an automated outreach message to new followers on your Instagram using Manychat. So whenever somebody follows you, we will send them a message to say hi or to start a conversation automatically. And what you will need is a Manychat Pro account. I'm not sure if they will let you do this with the free account. And you want to obviously connect your Instagram, and you will want to go to automation and then basic. And then here it should say this say hi to new followers, and it should also have this little blue setup button. So just click setup and it will ask you to update permissions. So you will need to update the connection or whatever. Now I have it already set up for this specific client right here. And once you have set this automation up, if I just click on it, it should probably take you to this basic builder, which I'm not a super big fan of, this basic builder. I visually like much more this version. And then it will have this user follows your account trigger, which you can choose what number of minutes you want to wait until you actually reach out to them. And then the next step is just to send one message on Instagram. I already have it written here. Now, if you want to add like more delay or something like that, you can actually do that. So you can delete this connection between the two, and you can add here a smart delay. And you can delay by, let's say, another 15 minutes to wait. In total, we have here 5 minutes at the beginning plus 15 minutes. So this is gonna wait in total 20 minutes. And yeah, you can play around with this if you want. I will delete it because I don't really need this right now. And then you can also write your message here. Now, bear in mind that this will only let you send one single message. You cannot break up multiple messages. It's just going to be one message. And when you test it, bear in mind that this will only trigger once. So if you unfollow and follow again, it's not going to trigger again. So you really only can test it once if you have another account that you will follow yourself from. So just keep those things in mind. And there's another thing that I wanted to show you. If you want to send, instead of this text, I will copy paste this, and you want to use a video message or a voice message outreach, you can actually do that. So if you click here to send a message, you can actually choose an audio file and upload it from your laptop. Let's say this Manychat outreach message, and it's literally going to reach out to people with an audio file. And you can also do video if you want. This is also going to work. Video file, you can upload it from here, and then you can send literally whatever it needs to be under 25 megabytes. But you can use voice and video messages as well to send this first outreach. Now I'm just going to go back to the simple text. And you can literally just say here set live, or when you're updating it, you can hit update and you should be done. So this is how it should look like once you have set it up and once it's up and running. All right, I'm gonna hit follow here, and in about 5 minutes, I should get the outreach message. Okay, and I actually just got the outreach message. Thanks for the follow. Quick question, are you more focused on this? And then, if I answer now, the conversation is started. Remember, you can only really test it once, but you can use voice messages, video messages, whatever you want. And yeah, go ahead and use this. And if you want more Manychat or even Go High Level tutorials, I have more on this channel. So take a look and see you on the next one.